Hey, I'm going to show you how to install an AI-generated theme in WordPress. And for this example, I'm going to be using the service called PressMeGPT, a WordPress theme generator and site builder. So let's go ahead and hop into my account real quick. So I'm in here, I'm in a theme that I built. Here's my initial prompt. It generated 3 themes for me. I actually liked this one the best when previewing it. And so I started customizing it. You can see I went from that previous thing to what we have now with a background image, a sticky header. I changed some icons around. I added this testimonial section and this call to action section, changed the footer a little bit. So I think I'm ready to export now. And so I go ahead and do this here. You can either pick Classic for older versions of WordPress. I think it's version 5.9 and below, or 5.8, and 5.9 and above, yeah, right here, has this block theme compatible, which also works with Cadence, which works with Full Site Editor. It works, it's Gutenberg and block compatible. So this is sort of the one that you'd usually want to select if you're using a new WordPress install. Let's go ahead and download the theme now. And just give it a minute here. And there it is. So let's go in and let's actually, I already have an older version of this theme installed. Let's add a new version of it. Just like that. So you want to go in and go into Appearance, Themes. I did that quickly. Add a theme. And then if you're uploading a theme, which we are in this case, we will go ahead and choose the theme here. And install now. Okay, so it's going to give me a warning because I already have this version. I already have an older version of this installed. It'll just ask me if I want to replace, and I do. So that's it. The theme is now installed. We can actually go to the website and refresh. And we should see our theme right here with the newest version. And that's it. So if you want to start editing and building websites and themes with AI, check out PressMeGPT. It's free to sign up, and let me know what you think in the comments.